Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. After the menu opens, use the up and down button to scroll through the menu. Find the option called the system, and once you select it, press the GPS button to enter. Here, scroll down, select the time option and press the GPS, then scroll down and find the option called set time. Once you select it, press GPS button and make sure to select the manual, then press the GPS, and once the set time is changed to manual, you can scroll down and select the time, then press the GPS, and here we can adjust the time. So set the time to your liking, for example, let's say 6:30, like this. Press GPS, select AM or PM, and then press GPS to confirm. And here we have our time. And if you go back to watch face, you will see that the time changed. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.